Hi everyone, my name is Tini, and okay, sorry about the wrong angle of the camera. Hi everyone, that's so dark. Okay, is this okay, guys? Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Tini, and today I'm gonna show you the squishies that you can find all over my house. Sorry of my voice because I have a cough. So yeah, let's get started. A towel. A towel. Your bed. Your wallet. Actually, guys, why is it so chubby? But it's not chubby. But I'm gonna tell you why. I just put yarn inside. So if there's no yarn, it's still a squishy because it's so soft. Maybe not. A fur slipper. A teddy bear. Your Beanie Boo. It's a bad weather today. Your pillow. Slow rising. Chips. A ribbon. Your cheeks. Ow. Tissue paper. This is all. Look at that. We have no shower. Napkin. Water. Okay, how can I touch the phone? Okay. Your legs. Ow. I'm literally hurting myself. I'm so crazy. Your butt. I'm just kidding. So, thank you for watching. This is a little bit funny. I don't know if it's funny to you, but bye!